The 2018 BMW 7 Series is perfection stowing away on display. The leader car from BMW might be lost among the organization's developing number of hybrids, however it shouldn't be ignored. The 7 Series includes the automaker's most progressive development, its most effective or most proficient motor, and the most recent innovation. It acquires a 8.2 out of 10 on our scale, which makes it one of the most astounding appraised autos we've tried. For 2018, the 7 Series to a great extent stands pat. Semi-independent driving highlights are currently accessible on base models and propelled stopping highlights, for example, an Encompass C camera framework are accessible on more models. The 2018 BMW 740i will be the principal stop for some purchasers, yet a modular crossover 740e Drive isn't far removed in cost after appropriate government motivations. At the opposite end of the range, a V12-fueled M760i Drive vehicle begins at more than $157,000 and closes at 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. The 7 Series is both effective and speedy on account of its ultra-lightweight development that uses carbon fiber-strengthened plastics, high-quality steel, and aluminum to cut almost 100 pounds from the body in weight alone. With the lighter weight development comes a perfect weight adjust of 50-50, which helps the enormous back or all-wheel drive car appear to shrivel, to feel more flexibility. For purchasers that want to be driven, the 7 Series offers an official backseat bundle including a 7.0-inch tablet to control atmosphere capacities, aerated and cooled and warmed backseats and NBA-sized extra space to move around. The 2018 BMW 7 Series isn't as brave as some of its counterparts, however that might be the point. It's an average full-measure extravagance vehicle, which is to state that it's stately, not by any means a la mode. Its outside is attractive and saved, while its inside is another story by and large. It gains a 8 out of 10 on our style only.